My name is G. Tejashwini. I am from 4th year ECE. In this PPT, I am going to explain about Faraday rotation principle in microwave engineering. Definition of Faraday rotation. When an electromagnetic wave passes through the ferrite, plane of polarization continues to rotate to angle theta in one particular direction, either clockwise or anticlockwise. This plane of polarization changes in the same direction, whatever may be the direction of propagation of wave. This is called as Faraday rotation. Explanation. The Faraday effect or Faraday rotation, sometimes referred as magneto-optic Faraday effect. It is a physical magneto-optical phenomenon. The Faraday effect causes a polarization rotation which is proportional to the projection of magnetic field along the direction of light propagation. Formally, it is a special case of gyroelectromagnetism obtained when the dielectrical permittivity sensor is diagonal. Faraday rotation, discovered by Michael Faraday in 1845. The Faraday effect was the first experimental evidence that light and electromagnetism are related. The theoretical basis of electromagnetic radiation was completed by James Clerk Maxwell in 1860s and 1870s. This effect occurs in most optically transparent dielectric materials under the influence of magnetic fields. The Faraday effect is caused by left and right circularly polarized waves propagating at slightly different speeds. Since a linear polarization can be decomposed into superposition of two equal amplitude circularly polarized components of opposite handedness and different phase, the effect of relative phase shift included by the Faraday effect is to rotate the orientation of waves' linear polarization. The Faraday effect has applications in measuring instruments. For instance, the Faraday effect has been used to measure optical rotatory power and for remote sensing of magnetic fields such as a fiber optic current sensor. The Faraday effect is used in spintronic research to study the polarization of electron spins in semiconductors. Faraday rotations can be used for amplitude modulation of light and are basic of optical isolators and optical circulators. Such components are required in optical telecommunication and other laser applications. Applications. Both microwave circulators and isolators are non-reciprocal transmission devices that use the property of Faraday rotation in ferrite material. A non-reciprocal phase shifter consists of thin slab of ferrite placed in a rectangular waveguide at a point where the DC magnetic field of incident wave mode is circularly polarized. When a piece of ferrite is affected by DC magnetic field, the ferrite exhibits Faraday rotation. It does so because the ferrite is nonlinear material and its permeability is as asymmetric tensor. Circulator. A microwave circulator is a multi-port waveguide junction in which the wave can flow only from the nth port of the n plus ith port in one direction, although there is no restriction on the number of ports. The 4-port microwave circulator is the most common. One type of 4-port microwave circulator is a combination of 3 dB side hole directional couplers and rectangular waveguide with two non-reciprocal phase shifters. This is a 4-port microwave circulator. Here 4 ports are there: port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. The next one is isolator. An isolator is a non-reciprocal transmission device that is used to isolate one component from reflections of other components in the transmission line. An ideal isolator completely absorbs the power for propagation in one direction and provides lossless transmission in the opposite direction. Thus, the isolator is usually called uniline. Here is the diagrams for isolator. First one shows the propagation through isolator and second one is Faraday rotation isolator. This is about Faraday rotation principle and applications. I hope you understood. Thank you.